this is Ida here. Ida's a super sweet girl, and she's very gentle, very submissive, and very good with children, so we completely trust her, and we'll leave her unsupervised sleeping with my son. It's almost time to go to bed. Hug, Ida. You guys have to go sleep together, okay? It's very late. Good girl. Kiss, Ida. Okay. Yeah. The red spot here. We're dyeing our hair, and then a little dye dropped on her nose, and we didn't know. So she has this little red dye spot on her nose. Yeah, it's dye.
It's so.
It'll stay there for a little bit.
It's so
Shiny red? No.
So,
Should we dye her whole body so it's on black? No. Becomes red. Oh wait. What?
It's so cold. It's cold.
It's cold. Oh yeah. The spot is a little bit cold. Okay, girl, sleeping. Okay, go to bed. We all go to bed. We all go to bed together. Marching up. Such a good girl, nice and gentle.